see it.
Get off the table! Off the table!
You're happy and you know it. Clap your hands.
Where are my Cheetos? What are you doing?
Hi, Boxer. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Pretty fat.
What's going on, man? Whoa!
Don't do it. I'm so vulnerable right here.
Can you just back up, bro?
Salam alaikum, alaikum salam.
No, it's meow mix. Try again.
What's that? What's that, brother?
Do ba do ba do ba do ba do ba do ba do ba.
The choice is yours.
That is absolute.
You might have to add a bit of flour until the dough is easier to work with.
Real. Explain this.
What can I get for you? Yeah, come. Bitch, yeah.
Don't do it. Oh no. Oh no. But if that's my cat. If you did. Meow!
Lagi begitu tuh foto.
Get.
Oh my God! What?
Wait, this tastes like some medicine. Ah!
If that's my cat, who the fuck is this? Princess! God!
I just bought this basket piece, and look at it now, man.
Не надо.
Ooh.
Hey, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow. Kick off your shoes and you throw 'em. Oh, shit.
Tighter.
Izzy, are you stuck?
And every time it
La nota es demasiado breve. Nos gusta explicar.
As a crackhead, the first time we introduce you to the cat we have, you're gonna actually.
Wait.
Oh my god!
Funny cat.
Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry. Excuse me?
Ma'am.
when we were younger, you were my
Go.
Aquí, voy a meter una su comida.
Не надо.
Let's sing a song, yeah?
Chipi chipi chapa chapa dubi dubi daba daba chi.
Опа-на. Ты чё боишься?
Give me a high five. Thanks.
Princess! Poppy, poppy, pop, poppy, pop, poppy.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Que yo vine fue a esto.
Ziggler makes it back to his feet. Is he going to deliver sweet? Oh,
Damn it.
No.